Hi everyone! Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. Today, we will make Brazo de Mercedes. Brazo de Mercedes is a Filipino dessert made of soft, pillowy meringue with custard filling and are rolled into log. Let's get baking! We will need 1 can of condensed milk, 10 eggs, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar or icing sugar. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Now, we are going to separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. Next, beat the egg whites using a hand mixer on a medium setting until it becomes frothy. Now, add a cream of tartar and continue beating until soft peaks are achieved. Soft peak like this one. By the way, I've transferred my meringue to a bigger bowl because the previous one I'm using is quite small, so make sure that you use large bowl for the meringue. Now, we're going to gradually add the white sugar into our meringue and continue beating until stiff peaks are achieved. Stiff peaks are already achieved, so this is ready. Use a baking tray and line it with parchment paper. And before we pour the meringue, spray it with oil. Generously, so that later it's gonna be easier for us to take off the parchment paper from the meringue. So now, pour the meringue. And using a spatula, spread it evenly. Using a fork or icing comb, create a pattern on top of the meringue. Bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. In a double boiler over medium heat, combine the egg yolks, condensed milk, vanilla extract, and lemon zest. Mix them together. And cook it until it becomes thick. I'm adding a bit of yellow food coloring, but this is optional. It's up to you guys. I think this is already the consistency that I want. You can also cook this directly to the pan on a low heat if you don't like to do it in a double boiler. After baking the meringue, I've let it cool for a few minutes. Now, we're going to dust the top with powdered sugar. Next, cover the top with another parchment paper and we will flip this over. And we will peel the parchment paper gently. Pour the custard filling and spread it using a spatula. Now, we will roll the meringue slowly. Here's our finished product! Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! Heavenly.